Namaskar, I am Dr. Suvarnalata Rao, Head Programming at the National Center for the Performing Arts in Mumbai. I look after the Indian music at my organization, which is a very prestigious performing arts organization in Mumbai. National Center for the Performing Arts in Mumbai is Asia's premier arts organization. We not only have music, but we also have so many genres: dance, film, theater, puppets, visual arts, you just name it, and we are one of the premier arts organization taking care of so many genres of performing arts. If you see the title itself, apart from the partners that we have, CITI and NCPA, National Center for the Performing Arts, but if you see the title Adi Anant, From Here to Eternity, the concept occurred as in Indian philosophy, we don't look at time as something linear. Like in the arts also, they look at linearity of the rhythm, and where you see the Indian rhythm as some kind of cycle. We don't look at bars which are just endlessly going in a linear fashion. We look at everything in a cyclic manner. Therefore, the concept of eternity seems to be very important for Indian philosophy in Indian arts, everything that we do in India. Now, if you see in music how the eternity appears, is that from the time that we started this Indian music, perhaps 1500 years ago, we trace our origin to Samaveda. From there to today, we have come thus far, keeping the core of the tradition, but we went on incorporating lots of innovations alongside. And that's how we have, we can go on until eternity if there is one eternity where we know. Also, if you see from one generation to another, the knowledge is being transferred for so many years now. This is the concept behind Adi Anant Festival. And this year particularly, we are going to concentrate on the Guru Shishya tradition. The Guru sings, Guru performs, and you listen to him, you try to imitate him. The Guru becomes the most important figure in the tradition, because there has to be an idol for you who can give you that knowledge, whom you trust explicitly. And then there is on other side, there is a recipient, that is a Shishya. And from time immemorial now that we have been having Gurus and Shishya, today's Shishya becomes tomorrow's Guru. And thus the cycle continues. This is how we are trying to interpret the eternity. This edition, we have selected 3 Gurus across 4 cities. We inaugurated last week in Mumbai with Ustad Zakir Hussain, who performed with 2 disciples of his father in the same tradition. And second day we had Pandit Ajay Chakravarti ji, whose daughter disciple Kaushiki Chakravarti performed alongside him. Today also in Chennai, we are having Ajay ji and Kaushiki ji. And in Pune, we have Pandit Shivkumar Sharma, the legendary Santur Maestro, with his disciples. Yes, we do this in the season of, say, between December and January across 4 cities. We will go to, on the 12th of January, we will be in Delhi, and on the 19th of January, we will conclude this festival this year with Pune.